Hi, Lori, GLP-1 Journey in Review. So tonight we're going back to the cooking series and we're going to make some grilled salmon and some broccoli and cauliflower. I got my grill pan heating up, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I got 2 pieces of salmon, which are 1 pound, and it is $16. It's Faroe Island salmon, which they say is one of the tastiest and smoothest tasting because the water is so cold. It's kind of by Iceland. I like to put a little grill mark on the top side. I had the skin taken off. Give it a little bit of lemon. I'll season the other side. I'm going to use my seasoning mix that I made. I'll link the recipe in the description. The only difference being is that I added a little bit of smoked paprika to it because I like that on my salmon. So we'll let this cook for another 30-40 seconds and we'll do the majority of the cooking with it on the other side. We'll just go ahead and give this a quick little flip. And a little bit more lemon. Cover this up, let it cook for like 5 more minutes. And then at the very end, I put a little bit of sugar-free brown sugar on top of it, or a mix of low sugar, brown sugar, whichever is easiest. It just gives it a little taste. I just put a little sprinkle on it. As far as the vegetables, use this. Sorry for the reach. Quick little hole in it. Put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. And in about another 6 minutes, we'll have our dinner of fresh Faroe Island salmon and broccoli and cauliflower. Very high in omega-3s. That's a good fat that you're supposed to have. Pretty low in calories. Each piece of fish is about 400 calories. Basically nothing for the vegetables, so it's a very low calorie, high protein, good fat meal. And as usual, I will show you the finished dinner as the thumbnail.